Now here is a really fascinating plant. The Venus Flytrap. Darwin called it one of the most wonderful plants of the world. And it's adapted to grow and take nutrients from flies and insects. Because when it grows into the boggy areas, it can't get much nutrients from there. So it's developed and evolved and adapted these leaves to be traps. Inside the traps, there are very fine hairs. If a fly lands and touches one hair, like a trigger, it's set. And if another hair is touched within 20 seconds, the trap then closes. And then using its digestional fluids to dissolve the fly and take the energy back into the plant. The secret is not to close the traps. So tempting, especially when you was kids, to put your finger in there and get it to close the trap, because then it closes all its traps, goes into its digestion, and of course there's nothing there, so the plant eventually starves. So never set the traps off artificially. Let nature do that by catching flies. You don't just have to grow this as a houseplant, it needs a cooler spot. So a position in an unheated conservatory or a cooler porch or something similar. But in southern areas, there are people growing them in very acidic, damp soil, actually outside. For more information on these plants, My Houseplant Changed My Life is published by DK Books, and in there's loads of great stuff on how to take care of plants and what plants to choose. For more information, you can visit my website, daviddominy.com.